production process, but also ensures optimal quality and preservation of the product, every step from decoration to exploitation. With its smooth appearance, vibrant green color, and refreshing sweet taste, kiwi is not only a delicious fruit, but also a great source of nutrition. Not only delicious when eaten raw, kiwi is also suitable for many different types of dishes, from desserts to salads and smoothies. They will please your taste buds. A prime example of innovation in the food processing industry. Designed to automate the process from sorting to packaging, this line not only optimizes productivity, but also ensures high quality of the final product. Process of washing and polishing apples after picking at the factory. The steps are carried out scientifically, ensuring food hygiene and safety. The use of modern equipment and strictly controlled processes helps remove dirt, bacteria, and robust mechanical structure, space-saving design, and improved control capabilities. Rex Technology, Industrial Sausage Production, AKS 65M Fully, Automatic Casing Replacement, for all artificial and collagen casings, AKS 85M combined with the RHS. Hanging system is perfectly coordinated for fully automatic sausage production. The casing's caterpillars are automatically fed into the twist tube through the casing holder. The tower technology is equipped with 3 twist tubes, ensuring casing replacement in less than 2 seconds. The following video provides a longer look at our color transformation from white to green. The integrated slicing machine seamlessly integrates various slicing machines into both new and existing tray sealing or deep drawing packaging machines. Achieve optimal slicing results with high productivity for cooked meat products. Round blade slicing machine processes various cheese types such as Gouda and Emmental fully automatically, cutting at a speed of 600 revolutions per minute and a slice thickness of approximately 1.5 millimeters. To portion tray baked products, round and loaf shaped, use a conveyor belt to reduce indexing time and increase efficiency. Another example of a smart and easy slicing solution includes hot pressing technology and another satisfied customer. With its smooth appearance, vibrant green color, and refreshing sweet taste, kiwi is not only a delicious fruit but also a great source of nutrition. Not only delicious when eaten raw, kiwi is also suitable for many different types of dishes, from desserts to salads and smoothies. They will please your taste buds. This sorting machine helps eliminate some standard citrus fruits, ensuring that only fresh and quality fruits are selected for the production process. Citrus pressing and packaging lines help preserve products better and create attractive and professional product packages. By using automatic weighing and packaging technology, this machine helps reduce errors and increase accuracy in the packaging process, ensuring that each package of onions has the correct weight and quantity. Expectation. In the food industry, blueberry packing and sorting machine lines have become one of the most important innovations, helping to optimize production processes and improve product quality. With a combination of advanced technology and automation, this line not only saves time and manpower, but also ensures packaging and grading of blueberries takes place accurately and efficiently.